Hello, in today's short and simple video, I would like to demonstrate how you can add the person by its username at the Telegram. So first of all, open up the app itself. Here at the top right corner, tap on the loop icon. At the search bar, type in or paste the username of the person that you would like to add. Once the needed person is found, tap on it. After that, tap over here at the person details, and here, at the top right corner once again, tap on the three dots and choose the Add to Contact function. Here you can, add it as the new contact. Type in some custom name for this person, and after that just press on Done, just like so. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.